Hi, this is Alisha here, and I'm going to share my first VC official pitching experience with you guys. So I'm on my way to the office. Obviously, I'm nervous, but I'm more excited because it's the first time I'll actually be experiencing and pitching my idea to in a formal setup. So takeaways from this particular experience is: first, make sure that you understand what your core strength is. It may be passion, it may be presentation, it may be numbers, it may be your idea, or absolutely anything. Just make sure that you're aware about it and that's what you try to sell. Number two, make sure that every time you present yourself, right, especially the first time that they see you, you need to be in the best form and you need to perform in terms of your body language, your first impressions, the kind of commitment you show, the way you behave with other people around you, because you never know who's watching you from where. Remember that this is not just to pitch to investors, but also there are so many amazing startups and ideas coming to the same. So one more thing that you can also make better use of is collaborating or just understanding what these other startups are about, so you know where you can make a difference or where you can partner and how you can grow together. I know with all the numbers and the nervousness going up, please do not forget to have breakfast. Even if it means just sitting there in the office outside waiting for your turn, just go have food, carry it if you can, and if you don't, then at least keep yourself hydrated. It's very important that you do not look flushed all the time. So make sure to show your respect, not just in terms of shaking hands or showing gratitude and thanking them and concluding the session. And last but not the least, listen to the questions, respond to them and not react to them. Take pointers for yourself as to where you did better or where you could do better, and the questions that they asked. So next time when you're making a presentation, you make sure that you're covering all of them and you're not lacking behind. So this is me signing off for today, and I hope these pointers help you in your first presentation or in your first pitch to an official in an official format. All the best, and if you have any queries, please leave them below with us. You can like and subscribe to us and help us understand how else we can help you or make your pitch and other things better. Stay raw, be raw, get raw.